Okay.
Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Oh, no, that's mine. I know. I'm under. Me. I'm gonna open the car. Yeah. It looks pretty if I can. So far. Happy for someone special on Valentine's Day. This puppy knows how nice meow. How dear and special to that Grammy's glad to be the one who brings this wish to you. Happy Valentine's Day, XOX. You and Grandpa. Thank you.
What does yours say, Sadie?
I don't know. I can't read it.
Yes, you can. Try.
I can. Short card, Sadie. It's Lloyd. Can you read it? It's the heart shirt. Lloyd, can you read this? I need a Valentine's.
This is "You're amazing." And then what does the rest say?
Is so many ways happy. I love these. Here. And a bracelet maker. Hearts Day. XOX. Love Grandma and Grandpa.
Excellent.
M&M's. This is mine. Yay, it's mine.
Okay.
It's both of ours.
It's both of yours.
It's mine, no what? It's like, boy, that's not. Let's put them in it. Yeah, because it has my stuff in it, though, Lily. It has my stuff in it, though.
Does it say Sadie on it? Oh my goodness, you see what it is?
No, Sadie, that's yours.
Empty it out. Yeah, that's your package, Sadie.
Ooh, Valentine's cake. That is. Hey, kitty, right there. And sprinkles.
Whoa.
Valentine's shirt.
Nice.
I got a nice black. Mine's cold.
It's cold. It's been sitting on the porch is why. It's 35 degrees out. Let's see yours, Lily. Cute, Sadie. See yours? Cute.
Hey, I love these kind of candies. Diva. It's Diva.
What does it say?
Diva.
Diva. Very good.
I love divas. What's this? They're sparkling. Sweethearts. I can make necklaces. I know. You can make necklaces. I can make bracelets. I love these things. And magnets. Is there a hair bow?
I think you left it at Grandma's.
And an eraser.
Probably left that there too.
Can I open this, please?
No, not until after dinner. As soon as you eat a good dinner, you can
Mommy,
have some.
this is cheese.
That's not cheese. That's M&M's.
But there's something jiggling in it, but it doesn't.
It's M&M's. So after dinner, if you eat a good dinner, you can have some.
No, I'm going to pick him up. No, he doesn't like that. He wants to get out. See? Come on.
Okay, what do y'all have to say to Grandma?